What is going on, everybody? Man, it has been a minute. Oh, hold on. Thought this was pretty cool. I'm at the shop. I just thought I'd give you guys a little shop update and just film some stuff for you guys since it's been long overdue and it's beautiful out today. I don't know if you guys can tell how dusty this thing is, but she has not been used in what? Has it been a month? 2 months? 2 months, I think. As I was saying, it has been a minute. This video, I guess, it's so nice out. I wanted to make a video on the RX-7, and there's some stuff I got to do on it anyways. I've been talking about taking the front shocks off for forever to send them out to get rebuilt because they are just blown right now and they don't have any control over the front end at all. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. And I guess just kind of like a little shop update and filling you guys in and what's going on. So I shouldn't even have to address this or really say much, but as you guys know, I did hire Sean, and I only hired Sean. I had a whole bunch of people asking me if I hired Sean and Todd and a whole bunch of other stuff to go with that as well. It's pretty ridiculous that clearly a lot of you guys assume the worst in people or the worst in people. There was nothing about me stealing Sean or anything like that. I was actually very hesitant to hire Sean just because of this whole, just because of like the whole YouTube stuff, because for some reason y'all like to make drama out of something that's not drama. But anyways, for those y'all who are super curious and wanted to throw some shade at me, I did not steal him from Brent. I made a post quite a while back saying that I needed help because I am swamped with work, as you guys already know. And he reached out to me. He reached out to me and wanted to work with me, and I wasn't really sure it was actually going to be a thing, so I just kind of blew it off, and then he reached out to me again and wanted to make it happen. So it's honestly amazing that some people think that there's a whole lot going on other than the fact that he wanted better for himself, and that's why he reached out for me. You know, like he's trying to create as many opportunities and possibilities for himself that he can, and yeah, at the end of the day, it's his decision. So nothing more than him wanting to do better for himself. And there's a lot of people, man, shame on you guys for assuming the worst in everybody and not just thinking that he wanted to do better for himself. So that's all I have to say. There's nothing other than that. He's been doing very well. He's been here for about 2 weeks now, and he actually was doing this 10-point in the Subaru behind me. Got him set up over here. So if you guys remember from my videos, this is like my old work area. Got the other Fronius, y'all already know. The Magic Wave 230, we got 2 of these units now. They are awesome with these nice CK Superflex torches. CK Worldwide, they are the bee's knees as far as torches go. So they hooked us up on some of that stuff. Got his box over here as well. Try to get these stations set up better. I also got a lift, as you guys can see. And yes, there's a GTR on the lift. Don't really have much to say about that, but that will be some future projects. Actually got some air reels in here too, like a little filtration thing. But yeah, I got my little welding bench over here. It's on wheels and stuff, so it makes it really easy to work with the lift and use everything. Got it organized up. Other than that, I don't really have, as far as a shop update, I mean, that's basically it. We have been killing it. I am swamped with work, so we have, I got this big whiteboard over here with a whole bunch of people that need work done. We've been knocking stuff out on this list and been adding to it as well. We're adding to it faster than we've been taking stuff off. So that is where I have been for the past 2 months. Been figuring out all this stuff. It is a lot of responsibility, but I hope it allows me to do some way cooler things and kind of free up my time to possibly figure out something to do with this YouTube channel stuff, because it's a great tool. I just don't know how to use it very well. So I got some cool stuff though. But anyways, before we can go get my truck and trailer that is, or my trailer that is stuck in the mud over at Carlos's place, I have to replace the water pump on the old Dodge because for some reason I can't get them to last more than like 8 months. They're from AutoZone. I tried one from O'Reilly's, the same thing. They just out of nowhere start pissing out of the weep hole. So let's do that really quick and then we can go ahead and bring the RX-7 over here. Well, actually, just kidding. I just called them, and it's still under warranty, which is cool, but they apparently don't have any in stock. So they said they won't have any tonight, so I guess we'll just YOLO it over there. Hopefully they didn't lose too much coolant. It's not very far away. It's like 5 minutes away, so should be all right. We'll go pick up the RX-7 really quick. Got all hooked up to the trailer. I got it, I was trying to move this thing when it was a little wet out. You can see all the marks. And I tried to back it up, and for some reason these things, when you go backwards, they're just trash. So I just kept trying to sink in the mud, and it got stuck out here in the middle of the field. But, yup, she's still in here. Got one strap on it. We'll go drive this thing over there really quick. And also, that's what I forgot too. I need to bleed the coolant in this thing. I ordered a vacuum bleeder. I think it just showed up. So just grab that really quick and we'll go head back to the shop. So I pulled the car up on the lift, tightened the suspension. I was gonna drive it, and I was like, let's change the oil really quick. Yeah, that don't look good. I'm not really sure what's going on with that. That clearly that means there's somehow water or something nasty getting into there. I put some different type of oil in it that I normally don't put in it. So I have no clue if that's gonna be part of it or not, but there's definitely some type of water, I'm pretty sure, in the oil, so I may have to end up just pulling this thing back out. Hopefully it didn't damage anything. It's just super weird, because I mean, I got the heads decked, I made sure the block, I cleaned it all off nicely. I don't know, maybe something was missed, I guess. We'll see. Yeah, that sucks. Hopefully this thing doesn't already have head gasket issues. It makes sense why this thing was like sucking down coolant today. Maybe, I don't know. Shoot, I guess we'll figure it out later. I'm gonna go hang out with some friends tonight. Maybe tomorrow we'll see what's up with that. So I'm not sure what the previous clip was, but if you guys saw, the oil in this thing was all milky. And it ended up turning out that it was some sort of crack in the head. Now these things have like a weird recall or something. GM did some type of recall on these heads, cracking like right by where the head bolt is. So I don't know where they were cracked, but I took the heads off. My neighbor had a set. I slapped a set of 799s on it, reused the gaskets, and this thing has been, it seems like it's good to go now. Flushed the oil like 3 times in it until it looked really good. And now it looks really nice. No milkshake going on in there. And I know I'm terrible at filming stuff for you guys, but I'm trying. I am trying. Just got the car washed. I also got the passenger seat mounted in there. Just so I can go take it on cruises, take it out for like some Sunday lunch dates and stuff. But we're actually about to head over to Carlos's really quick. Got some cool stuff going on over there for you guys. Just want you guys to check it out. And we're gonna be heading to Mexico later on because Carlos did get a GTR.
If we gap them, we're putting this stuff on there, bruh. It's a little, woo, shit. Looks just like me, no?
Yep.
That was fun.
Yeah, man.
I'm sure you're gonna, he's gonna turn it up now, guys, so this isn't the final word yet.
No, but that,
For one, he's gonna turn it up, and also he's gonna get on the rolling anti-lag.
Oh.
I couldn't do anything. That was like no boost, no nothing. I was just hammer it. Like, it didn't make boost until like the top of a second. Like, right as you're starting to catch up to me, it finally started making boost. Yeah.
200. I thought you said this was like 22.
No.
What did it wait?
28.
Oh, shit. Well, with me in it, that thing's fucking like 5,000. Like it?
No, it just like was super lazy.
Well,
So,
yeah.
And I'm also like,
Well, were you in first gear or where were you at?
yeah, I was in first gear. If we try to do a second gear roll, I think it might be way too.
Like lazy? Even more?
Yeah.
Well, for me, like I can't shift back down like into first, so I have to be in.
Second.
Like,
Is that too low for you?
no. I was in third though. I was in third. Like the one before we came into town, that one I was in second. You could tell it fucking like lit up way faster, you know?
Yeah. Yeah, but I'll just check out the website. I don't really know how much more I can give it that much. I don't fucking spin like crazy.
Yeah. Dude, I bet those guys in the motorcycles are scared as fuck. Gonna check a little bit of the data log. I'm gonna be the pro tuner today. I'm gonna turn it up.
See how much boost it was actually on.
Yeah.
That way I don't have no excuses.
You hit the scramble button, so can't lie. So he was on 25 pounds of boost, right?
Up top, yeah.
Was that with the scramble or not?
Yeah, that's with the scramble.
With the scramble. With them scrambled eggs. Well, bro, you were spinning. That's the thing. Like, there's only a certain amount of power that you can put down from the roll on these things.
That shit, I had that bitch floored the whole way. Fuck them things.
Well, I could tell you had them floored.
Yeah, could you tell it was spinning or what?
Well, I mean, I feel like
we were racing. Though.
Not when we were racing, but when I was behind you, though, for sure.
Yeah.
You know, it says fucking oil.
No, I'm just feeling it.
Yeah.
Damn, I want to go back and look and see if those fucking tire marks are there.
Oh, I was checking for them even less from last night's passes.
I know, me too.
But I didn't see any today.
Alright, so we just got back from Mexico. Word on the street is some RX-7 got gapped by some GTR, but
just a little bit. A little bit. I let off a little bit so that way he could catch up, you know? You don't want to hurt his feelings too much.
That's word on the street.
Yeah.
That's word on the street. But yeah, so anyways, we're back over here at Carlos's. I just wanted to show you guys what we've got going on. Something that you guys hopefully will be excited about. You want to tell them about it?
Yeah. So we got this car. Basically, we're gonna be doing a giveaway on this car right here. Obviously, you can see it's a work in progress. We're gonna be repainting the whole thing and doing a new set of wheels. It's already got a built engine in it with you know, boosted B series and it's front-wheel drive. It's not all-wheel drive or anything crazy, but it should still be a really fun cruiser.
Yeah, super clean little turbo car.
We're gonna do some like cool little stuff. Like we even got like this valve cover here. We had a Preston at Ison Hydrographics.
Just clean this valve cover up because it was really bad.
Yeah, this valve cover was horrible, but it looks pretty clean now, you know.
Looks real nice. It's already got one of my manifolds on it too. This is one of our good friends, so
yeah.
Make like 400-ish horsepower.
Yeah,
like
nothing crazy. Just more of like a fun cruiser, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah. We'll make a more in-depth video of the build on it, of course, but
and the giveaway stuff and everything.
Yeah. So for the giveaway, we're gonna ask you guys to join Race Bros giveaway group on Facebook. So go ahead and search for that and join. And yeah, we might give away some stuff to some of the first people on there.
Yeah, he's got these cool ducks and stuff.
Yeah. You guys, you guys know how it is with ducks, this kind of ducks, you know.
Oh shit, I dropped it in the oil bucket.
Nice.
So anyways, guys, like we said, go check out the group page. This will be like our little giveaway for 100K, almost 100K. I think I was pretty close, and then I lost some. Yeah, I lost some subscribers because I haven't been uploading videos. But I'm gonna try to do some more stuff with this. If this goes well, we'll be able to do more like it. So go check it out. Don't miss out on it. And I guess stay tuned for the next video on this thing.
Part 2. I'm sure he's gonna do something to this. You know, RX-7. He's gonna want a rematch, 100%.
I'm gonna figure it out.
Yeah.
I'm gonna figure it out.